How to upload file in Slack. Uploading file or sending file is really easy to be sent or to upload in Slack. How you can do it is by simply tapping on a channel, and over there you can see the plus icon message hashtag random. Over there you can see the plus icon. Simply tap on it, and over there you can see upload a file, recent canvas, recent files, record an audio clip, record a video clip. You can simply tap on upload a file and simply upload the file that you want. Simply tap on it and then tap on send. Then after, like this, your files are gonna be uploaded to your channels or chats. Anywhere you want to send it, you can always upload it.